right, this is the i6 smart USB charger. Special thanks to this company for sending this my way. Smart voltage and current recognition. Nice. Nothing around the box, and even the back doesn't really have a whole lot of information. Just model number i6 smart USB charging station. Another charging station. I love charging stations. They come in handy when you have 3 or 4 devices you need to charge at once. So slide this one out of its packaging. Look at that. Nothing else in the box. And so, wow, no guide or anything. So we got a little power cable here, a little standard American plug, and a little standard plug there. And then over here, oh, there's our little instruction guide. Okay, and that's it. So look at all this plastic. Let's get all this plastic off first. Look at all those USB ports. Oh, it's because it's this glossy black. That's why it's covered in all this. So it'll tell you how many volts and amps you're pulling. Very interesting. So just the power plug on this side, and then the USBs here. Let's plug some into it. We're gonna take this and let's plug it into here. And so we've at least got our green lights going there. 5.19 volts. Here we go. This should work. This is a Wise cable. I wonder what it'll push through. Probably not nearly what it should be pushing to a phone. Plug it into my phone here just to see what we get. Now my phone says it's charging. I've got the indicator, and no real change in our meter here. Still just 5.2. That's pretty cool though that it shows you that information. So yeah, as you were to plug in more devices and had more things charging, it would tell you exactly how many volts and amps you were pulling with this little charger. So that's pretty cool. Smart USB charger. Now these mention a Type-C port, but I definitely don't see a Type-C port. These are all USB-A ports. But if you have a handful of USB-A devices to charge, this would be perfect. Plug them all in and get a ton of items charging at one time. I think that will do it for the i6 Smart USB charger. Thanks again to the company for sending this my way to unbox and show you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.